Best book to read is the Bible. The best book to read is the Bible if you read it every day.
Welcome to Write Ideas with Susan, where I put up simple tutorials to help people like you who are teaching kids about the Bible, about Jesus, and Christian values. And today I've got a really simple craft idea that's very quick, it's very cheap. So let's get into it. Just go to my website, and on the printables page you will scroll down and find the Bible bookmark grid and just download it. I like to photocopy this onto a little bit thicker paper if I'm doing bookmarks. There are 6 bookmarks per page. Now if you're working with really young children, I like to put little faint pencil lines just to make it easier for them. And then take one of the bookmarks and you need to enlarge it for about 1.5 times, and that'll be your demonstration sheet. And the good thing about this is if you're not sure yourself is you can put some little pencil lines on your demonstration sheet too. Now some of you have seen my box letter tutorials, but I like to actually demonstrate this first with the kids before I give them the bookmark craft to do. So let me just go through it with you as though you're my students and I'm teaching you about these magic box letters. And I'll say to everybody, we've been talking about the Bible today, and the song we've been singing is the best what? The best book, that's right. So write the word book here, and I'm going to put some things in these boxes, and all of a sudden a letter's going to magically appear. Have a look in the first box. Watching? Are you watching me? I'm going to put a dot here, and a dot here, and look here on the side, I'm going to put a little triangle. Now, who sees a letter in that first box? And every now and then a little one will put their hand up and see it, and then I'll say, okay everyone, now look at the white part of the box. And then it's like, whoa, they all see B, you know, because they see the B. And I say, yes, there's a B. So we're looking at the white part of the box, aren't we? So there we have a B. And what's the next letter you see here? Yes, it's an I. It's already there for you, isn't it? And the next letter, we're going to do a B again. So look, a dot, and a triangle. So we got B, I, B. Now what's the next letter? Yes, an L. Now watch me do an L. It's going to magically appear down the middle and across over to the side. And then all I'm going to do is color in the side here. And the kids get really excited as they start seeing the L. They're like, oh, there's the L. So I've made this so that little kids can do this as well. Now, guys, look at the last box. What's the last letter? Yes, an E. E is really easy to do in magic letters. Look here. Just into the middle and into the middle. And there you have it. Do you see that? Yes, it's the Bible. Okay, now I'm going to give each of you a bookmark. And you're going to take your darkest color that you have, whether it's black or brown, and I want you to put these special bits into your boxes so you have that word Bible, and also fill that out as well. And then I show them, after they do the actual outlining, I say, then you can color it any way you want. And I have a few little samples so they can see. And then they can take time and they can color their bookmark, and I usually like to put on some music in the background, usually the song, the best book to read is the Bible.
To read is the Bible. The best book to read is the Bible. If you read it every day, it will help you on your way. Oh.
And then they can take it home and they can put it in their Bible at home. I also have a playlist on the Bible, and this craft would go with any of those lessons really easily. So check that out if you have time. So there's a little craft idea that you can do whenever you're talking about the Bible, and it's quick and it's easy and it's really cheap. And kids really love this magic box letter thing too. If you like this idea, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's actually free, and you'll be notified whenever I put up a new clip. Thanks again for watching, and may God bless you as you teach the next generation about Jesus.
Oh, the best book to read is the Bible. Sing it again, shall we?